Alright guys, welcome back to Stuck on an Island, where I'm stuck with you and we are always smiling. Yo, today is November the 9th or 10th, whatever it is. I didn't really plan on vlogging today, but guess what? Yo, I'm about to make something really quick for myself. I'm super hungry, but yo, the fact is I only have 400 Jamaican dollars on me, to be quite honest. I have some coins, so let's just say it's 500. I'm gonna head to the market and try to cook something really traditional. I hope you guys like this video, and if you do, hit the like button, and if you just rate what the thing said, hit the like button from the get-go. And Vanilla is acting crazy right now, but anyway, I'm gonna head out. Alright, so I'm at the market, you see me? I'm gonna look for some ackee that pack out already and everything, you see me? You have ackee? Eh? So, 100 for that, and a piece of yam, yeah. Yeah, no small sweet pepper. How much sweet pepper? Like coal man catch fire, it's the carpet and the window connect. So I have to say mission successful. I just tell her I have 550 and she pretty much just pound up everything the right way, you see me? So I got some green bananas, ackee, and liquid sweet pepper, and yeah, so you don't know the things that already. So most times when I'm working, this is a question that I get from a lot of people. What is it that we eat in Jamaica? So some of those stuff are definitely the predominant staples for us. So yams, bananas, cassavas, potatoes, stuff like that from the ground. That's what we definitely eat a lot of. Yeah, but typical Jamaican life, I don't know. You don't have a lot of money on you. You can easily run a boat. No matter how hard stuff is, you know how tough it is, you can always run a boat. So I can say the mission was successful thus far. 550. We get everything that I needed. And I'm looking forward to trying this dish for the first time. I've eaten it before, but I've never quite made it before. So let's see how it turns out. I just reached Vanilla is here. Cappuccino! Capo! I'll be playing with somebody. Oh, here he goes. For those of you who haven't seen Capo in a while, he's gotten a lot bigger. What's up, boy? Still annoying as hell, still always dying for love, and the girls are around the back. All right, no hugging, Capo. All right, big guy. So pretty much back home and thing, give myself a quick hand wash, isn't it? Messing with the dogs just now, and then I'm gonna show you guys the real main event so we can start on this thing. All right, so this is what I'm talking about, yo, corn pork. Yeah, so corn pork is something that's very traditional. To be quite honest, you won't find it in many stores because I guess maybe many people don't know how to do it well, or maybe it's expensive, I don't know. But I finally found like a really good store that sells it at high-low, and it's packaged. The meat is still pink looking, it looks fresh, which is what I love the most. I bought it at the supermarkets before, well, in the farmer's market before, and it didn't look so well colored or as fresh as this one, so I'm gonna try it. But the first thing I gotta do is to make sure you boil off the excessive salt, because back in the day when we never had fridges, you know, they had to salt their meats to keep it going. Alright guys, so I did wash this twice to get rid of some of the excessive saltiness from the outer parts, but then I'm gonna leave it in the water for a bit, maybe, I don't know, 3 hours or so, or maybe an hour and a half, I don't know, just to get rid of any of the additional saltiness. Now, the main part that you really want for fried corn pork is definitely here. Like the fatty parts, that's where, you know, that's the golden part. That's where you get all the crust, the crispiness and all of that. But what I'm gonna do with this is to remove like all the bones. Cause you don't know, when you're eating your ackee and your corn pork, you don't want no bone in it or anything to obstruct like all that goodness, you see me? So yeah, that's what I'm gonna do right now and let it rest. All right, so pretty much I have my pressure cooker ready. I have it seasoned up with garlic, pimento, like Scotch bonnet pepper. I put a little bit of salt back into it because the corn pork isn't that salty, and some garlic powder as well, and thyme and everything like that. is in the pot right now. The reason why I do it that way is that while it's actually softening up a little bit, it's actually being seasoned. I don't want to season it after, I want to season it straight through the entire process. This, luckily, I ended up having it in the water soaking for about 30 minutes. Right now when I tasted it, because it's good to taste the meat, especially when you want to keep the saltiness or not have too much, you have to taste it a bit. And right now it's at a good level, so that's why I have salt inside the pressure cooker as well, so I don't lose saltiness from it. So I'm gonna pressure it for probably about, or maybe like 40 minutes or so, or whenever it's, you know, it's done cooking, and then we can move on. Alright, so I got the corn, pork, deboned and stuff. I kind of wish it had a lot more fat with it, but you get what you get. And I got the ackee already done up right here, so I'm gonna get to frying it real quick. So the oil up when I go and bake things, but you don't know, we have to give it more flavor, you know. So we drop some onion in there, scotch bonnet pepper, and some garlic to even flavor up the oil too. Cause all the green banana skin thing we start to eat, you know. Because trust me, it works out well easy. So the banana in there with the skin off. I'm gonna try to show you. Alright, steam I did my bud. Try to show you how it's going. See there? Banana in there. Just stir it up and now make sure I get a little. Alright, so I'm gonna do a little seasoning up really quick. Understand? I'm gonna take out the corn, pork already and thing. Done fry up. So I'm about to butter down the ackee and with it wiki. Don't know my style already, I add a little more seasoning at the end. You understand? You make that stove, I see. New stove and thing, you know, but boy, watch out, look at the pot slide. Slide too easy. Alright, the grill needs to get a little bit worn out so you get more grip, you know. I like when things are loose. But you know me, I add a little bit more seasoning at the end of it. Because I don't want these to be overcooked. I want to feel a little bit of texture when I'm eating it. Try not to mash the ackee up too much. I think my cousin is supposed to forward over still, so he can hold some food. You understand? So we deal with it, you know. Can't just there and I live for yourself. You don't know Jamaican culture is hospitality. You understand? You can't hungry at Jamaica if you're smart. So, ackee done cook already and everything. For those who might not know like how to do the whole boil and everything, you can watch the other video that I did before. So dumpling done boil already, food done boil up already. You can lock off that right now. So you lock off that stove there. Show you how long I'm gonna cook. Alright, so the corn pork gone in. And just fold it a couple times. Understand, so it mix up and balance out in the pot. You don't know, I don't like when my ackee have too much oil in the bottom, so what I do, keep it same way, and if I need a little bit more oil, the same oil that I cook everything in with the garlic and the onion and stuff, just toss a little bit more into it, so you know everything well flavored. Nothing for bland. Alright, so this is when I finally found feeling good food.
Welcome. Hello.
What did I go with beer things? Guys, I'm upset about, quite frankly. The pear I cut never even ripe. Chano. Someone over there, so. I'm pray, I go pray.
You have to pray, man, yeah?
I do, you think better. Where's the other go?
You know, and taste jumbo to me.
They taste good.
Yeah, man, it's bad, man.
Oh, wow.
Bad.
Guys, on the banana. And all that soft and nice. First time I make corn pork, so you know, with Aki, going pretty decent. You see me? I'm gonna mash it up really quick and see what I'm going to feed, you know? See that? Crime scene.
Food very bad.
Still have a little bit more for go, but we'll soon deal with it.